Open up your Midjourney Discord. After that, select the prompt and then generate the image. Once you are satisfied with the generated image, below it, you can choose to zoom out your images up to 1.5 times or 2 times. Furthermore, by using custom zoom, you have the chance to change anything in your prompt, including the text and the custom zoom value. After that, select another prompt, such as a white-faced ragdoll cat wandering down Oriental Pearl TV tower. This is the image generated according to your prompt. You can also use the U button to upscale this image. Here is another image of your prompt. Now let us enter another prompt, such as coloring page for kids, cute unicorn tiptoeing through an enchanted garden, cartoon style, thick line, low detail, no shading, with a smile. Also, by zooming out, you can set the aspect ratio of your image. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.